and welcome to Karna's English grammar classes. Today we are going to study about articles. Now there are three types of articles: a, and the. So these articles are categorized under two categories: the indefinite and the definite article. A and the, A and an are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. So, when we talk about a and an in English grammar, when they are used for a thing or a person or a place, they are not definite. We are not definite about the thing that we are talking. So they are categorized as indefinite articles, and definite article is the. We are sure about the thing or the person we are talking about. We are definite about the thing that we are talking about. So it is considered as a definite article. So we'll study where to use the article a. So already mentioned, a is an indefinite article. So when we are using a, we are not definite about a particular thing or a person. Okay. So a is used before a word beginning with consonant or having consonant sound. Now we have 26 alphabets in English language, starting from A to Z. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest are the consonants. So all the words that begin with consonant or are having consonant sound, there we use article A. Okay. So it is also used with a single countable noun. So always remember, indefinite articles, whether it is a or an, they are used with single countable noun. Single countable noun means they are used with singular nouns. And what type of nouns? Countable nouns. The things that we can count. Okay. So here with single countable noun we use a. So whenever a word comes to you, so make sure it is a singular noun. That word should be singular noun, and it should have the consonant sound or beginning with consonant. For example, a chair. So we cannot say a chairs because chairs is plural. So we always say a chair. The C is a consonant, so we will add a chair. Similarly, a pen. So P is a consonant. So when we are writing pen, we are mentioning about a single pen. So we will write a pen. We are not going to say a pens because pens is plural. So now a uniform. So here, have you noticed this? This is starting with a vowel, but still we are writing a because, as already told, it should have consonant, it should begin with a consonant or having consonant sound. If a word, even though it is beginning with a vowel, but it has a consonant sound. So here the uniform has a ya sound, ya. Okay. So it will be mentioned as a uniform and not an uniform. Similarly, a union. So here the sound is ya, not you. Okay, so all the words that have a ya or a wa sound, there we will use article a because sound matters a lot while using articles. So first of all, two things we should keep in mind. The first thing, it should be a single countable noun. We'll always use with a singular noun. Second is, it should start with a consonant or it should have a consonant sound. Let's have a look at the usage of article an. So an is used before a word beginning with vowel or having vowel sound. So similarly, like the article a, so same rules are followed for article an, but the only difference is that the article a starts with a consonant, but article an starts with a vowel or vowel sounding words. So it is an indefinite article, so it is also used with a single countable noun. So similarly, single countable noun, an apple. We cannot say an apples. We cannot use an article with plural nouns. So an engine, and it should, and the third example is an hour. So although it is the alphabet H, it is a consonant, but H is silent here. So if we keep the word H silent here, so R, it is pronounced as R, O-U-R. So the sound is the sound of a vowel. So we will say an R, not a R, because it always goes with the sound. Similarly, an honest man. So here also the word honest. So here H is silent. So the sound, we can get the sound of honest, O-N-E-S-T. So we will put the article an honest man. The article the is used when we talk about a particular person or a thing that we have mentioned earlier. So what do you understand when we talk about a particular person or a thing? So when we already know about which person or what thing we are talking about, we are very sure about that thing. Okay, there we will use the word the. And second is when we are talking about a thing that we have already mentioned. So now let's take an example. The people of my country are honest. So here we know particularly about which people we are talking. Particular person. Okay, so here who we are talking about, we are particular that we are talking about the people of our country, not of any other country. So we are very particular about the person we are talking about. We already know that, we are very sure, we already know about whom we are talking. So here the second example, I want the red pen that you bought yesterday. So here also he is very particular about the thing. I want the red pen that you bought yesterday. Not any pen, but the red pen. So this is a particular red pen that you have bought yesterday, and I want that particular pen only. So here these are the perfect examples that will differentiate where we use the. And the second place where we use the is already mentioned thing. For example, I am saying I have a doll. The doll is very beautiful. So I've mentioned the doll earlier in the first sentence also. In the second sentence also, still I'm talking about the same doll. So there I will not say I have a doll. A doll is very beautiful. So there we know we have already mentioned the doll first time. For the second time we will use the word the. Now we will see where to use the article the and where not to use the article the. So the article the is used before the names of rivers. So name of any river, for example, we'll say the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj. So names of rivers always have the article the. Name of newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Tribune. Okay, so names of newspaper we will add the. Directions, the east, the north, the west. The sun rises in the east. Okay, so it is a direction. Superlative degree of adjective. So whenever we are using the superlative degree, for example, good, better, best. So when we are using the word best, he is the best boy in the class. So always with the superlative degree we will use the word the. Now where you are not going to use the is the names of cities. So in the name of cities and towns you will not use the. You will not say I live in the Delhi, I live in the Mumbai. Okay, so the you will not be using in the names of cities and towns. I live in the Duraha. This is wrong. I live in Duraha. Okay, name of countries. So India is a country. So before India we will not use the word the. Okay, so only the countries where we use the word the is the USA, the UK. These are the only two countries where we use the word the. Apart from these, all the countries will not have the word, the article the in front of them. We are not going to say I live in the India. Name of any person. So whenever we take the name of any person, Okay, so there we will not use the article the. So even though we know that particularly we are talking about this person, but we are not going to use the article the there. So names of streets and roads, we are not going to use the article the. And the subjects, English, we will not say I am going to study the English, I am going to study the Hindi. So names of subjects, we will not be using any articles. Just a recap of what we have done today. Articles are divided into two categories: indefinite article and definite articles. Indefinite articles are articles that deal with singular noun. So it is a and an. So they both have to be singular noun. Now a is used with consonants, words starting with consonants or sounding consonant. An is always used with vowels or vowel sounding words. The definite article D can be used with a singular noun as well as with plural nouns, and it is used for a particular noun or already mentioned thing. So I hope this lesson will be very helpful for you, and please keep watching all my videos, and thank you.